Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Christmas Canon rock on guitar, easy method. Start by tuning to standard E and learning the main arpeggio pattern slowly with a metronome. Practice the pattern hands separately for short 10 to 15-minute sessions. Focus on clean note transitions and consistent timing before adding speed or embellishments. Keep your wrist relaxed and use economy picking for smoother runs and less fatigue. Warm your hands and set a comfortable metronome tempo to begin. Place your fretting fingers deliberately and pick slowly to reinforce coordination. Aim for even volume across notes and avoid tense grips that cause buzzing. When a phrase feels secure, raise the tempo slightly and keep practicing with short rests to prevent strain. Small, consistent gains each day will build the speed and precision needed for the full arrangement. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making lessons. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough. They feel great and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long practice sessions on cold floors. I use them when I practice standing for hours, and they make a surprising difference. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once the rhythm part feels steady, start layering the lead melody on top using single note practice. Break the lead into short phrases and memorize them in order, then connect phrases slowly. Use subtle vibrato and slides to add expression without overwhelming the harmony. Record yourself to spot timing issues and adjust phrasing accordingly. Keep dynamics varied so the lead sings over the arpeggio while preserving the song's original feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.